I have been waiting for this campaign. I'm really excited about it. So let's take a look and see what we got, shall we? Turn up the heat. It looks like Heinz has 3 new ketchups out, and you see they have medium, hot, and extra hot. So we do, of course, have chipotle. We have jalapeno, and we also have habanero. And the thing I think is so cute is, why does it come with a little gold dipping bowl? Are you serious? If this ain't so cute. Oh, I can't wait to try these. And again, we have medium heat, hot heat, and extra hot. This is going to be my favorite. I can already tell because I love super hot stuff. This is going to be good on my fries, and I think this is going to be good on like my turkey burgers and stuff like that. So turn up the heat, y'all. Can't wait to try these.